Respawn points. Welcome back to another video, and we're going to be playing with a balloon. Okay, it's right here. And let's put it up. This is pretty invented and pretty intense. And whoa, guys! I did not press anything. Okay, guys, I just heard a noise. And I don't know how did I just, oh no, guys, this is what we're doing, I know, because I don't know what we're doing today because I just heard a noise and I don't know how to just go to the TV, like, it opened by itself. Okay guys, thank you for so much, comment down below what's going on because I think I heard a noise. And the TV just turned on by itself, okay? So comment down below what is going on, okay? Okay, goodbye. Hope to see you guys next.